It's the end of another school year, and many parents are wondering how they can make a big move less stressful for their family. I've got the tips you need. My name is Jamie Halford with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today I'm sharing how you can make the relocation process with your family smooth and stress-free. Number 1, discuss the move with your kiddos. The more time your kids have to process their feelings about moving and switching schools, the better it will be. Be sure to talk to your kids as soon as you can so they have time to say goodbye to their friends and adjust to the drastic change. Number 2, research schools in your new area. Before you make a decision on a neighborhood you want to move to, spend time researching the school districts in the area. Look at the quality of education, facilities, and extracurricular activities available to students. If your kids are old enough, talk with them about what they'd like to have in their new school and consider touring the options and neighborhoods with your family. Number 3, keep them involved. One of the best ways to make your move less stressful for your kids is to get them involved. Encourage them to pack their own things, discuss how they want their room decorated, take them along to decide on paint colors, and organize a goodbye party or special going away activity. Moving to a new place is scary for everyone, but kids need special care and attention as they navigate these big changes. I hope today's video gave you some good ideas to try when it comes time to make that big move. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.